What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Shoot Ride Live. We're out here at gorgeous Salish Ponds today in Troutdale, Oregon. I got the wee little one with me today, Ashlyn. Say hi, Ashlyn. She might try some magnet fishing, she may not, but that's what we're going to do today, is try and find some cool stuff out here off the dock, and we'll probably get at least some fishing lead, something like that. Not for sure, but let's figure it out. My magnet came in. This is it, just like the boys from the last video. 500-pound brute magnets. I got my 300-pound test, 800-pound max, red, white, and blue America rope. America, right there. I have a lot of it. I got 100 feet, so we can go plenty far. So let's go ahead. We'll do our first throw here and see what happens. You might want to move, or this might conk you in the head. All right. Let's see. Oh, it's not too terribly deep.
How long does it take you guys to get the block out of it?
Well, either I'm stuck on something already. Well, first throw and may have already lost the magnet. I don't think there's rocks down there. There we go. Maybe there's a pipe down there or something. Feels like I'm bumping something right here. Maybe. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, all right, first catch. Bring me the bucket. That is a piece of wire.
Really?
Sweet. Hey, it's a catch. Every catch is a catch. Oh, got something. Ooh, got a couple things. What do we got here?
Bucket.
Bucket. Come on, bucket girl.
I'm just playing fishing.
Do your job, bucket girl.
I found fishing.
All right, so we got a piece of a reel.
That's awesome.
Shakespeare, maybe off of a ugly stick, you never know.
Can't you put that back in?
And
Pliers.
some pliers.
That's it. Why would there be pliers down here?
Well, people come down and fish. They need pliers to get the hooks out of the fish.
Well, not anymore because they lost it.
Yeah, they lost it. Now they're ours. Oh, I think I feel some. Oh, yeah. Wait a minute.
You probably stuck it.
Well, there might be a.
We got some weird stuff up there.
There's something down here.
I think it's a stick.
Yeah.
Wait, why would a stick magnet?
We got a pin. I read banned books. Somebody is a bad person. Just kidding.
What's banned books?
I don't know. And a lead weight. Figured we'd get some of those. And
A rusty something.
rusty something.
That's what I
You're on my rope there. That's how you're gonna end up in the water. I'm gonna toss this in and it's gonna
No!
pull your foot and you're going right over the edge. There was something right down here.
Oh my god, I got jeans on.
Right there.
I wonder if it's dead fish. With like,
The magnet's not gonna be messing with a dead fish unless it's a steelhead.
oh my god. Put the fish on.
That's a possibility.
See, you can pull up a dead fish. Ooh,
Oh, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got?
that's a knife.
I got a knife!
Yeah! Let me see, let me see.
Oh, it's not a knife. That's a knife.
Pocket knife. Oh, what is it?
Yeah, it's a husky little razor blade.
Let's see. How? Jeez, that's a good catch. You got
Yeah,
way better
that's not
catches than
bad.
you. How do you open it?
We got...
Oh, it's rusty.
Well, you don't open it because it's a rusty blade, so be careful, yeah.
Oh, that's a hook. Just drop it.
Hook and weight. Hook and weight.
God, people lose all
Part of
that.
a hook. Yeah, I told
Slush.
you. You come down here where people fish and you're going to find all kinds of stuff.
We're getting way better stuff than the boys did to do. Got better stuff.
Why don't you grab the other magnet that I brought for you and do it yourself?
This one's
Don't tangle the rope all up.
I don't know how to do it. Heavy.
Just take it like that and go throw it in and then pull it back up.
Fuzzy on the bottom.
It's just magnetic sand from the last trip.
Yeah. That one. That's what I was saying to do with it earlier.
There, now just toss it in and then pull it back.
Ah! No! Oh, come on!
Kick it off.
I can't. Ow. You think it's gonna stick?
Yeah, that's not going to work out. You got to throw it and let it go.
Oh my god!
Try again.
At least that worked out fine. Didn't it? I mean, what the heck?
Try again. Sort of.
And diamonds aren't metal. Mom was saying how I could bring them.
What?
Diamonds aren't metal. It wouldn't connect to it. Oh, I wonder if there's a ring. No, I'm gonna throw it over here.
I think I got... Oh, no, wait a minute. Damn, what was that? I'm moving something around down here.
There is
Oh, it's big. What?
What the heck?
I got a railing. It's a piece of the dock.
What?
Oh no! Go back.
Why do you want a railing?
Operation Railing Rescue. Here we go. Oh, I got it.
Oh my god, Joe! How'd you get a railing?
That's funny.
You've never
Come on.
Have you seen someone pull up a railing before?
Okay, hold on.
It's huge.
Yeah, I gotta figure out how to... There we go. Well, it's not light. Well. Ah! That's definitely the biggest catch so far, for sure.
Maybe not the coolest. Why is it oily?
Hey, it's cool.
Oh my gosh. So oily.
Huh?
Ooh, what's that?
That's just muck.
That looks like...
It's muck. Do you want to go down to the bottom of the...
No. It looks like... Ew! Ew! It's... Oh my god, it's...
Yeah, it's muck. It's what's at the bottom. That's funny.
Ew, it looks like clay.
I knew there was something down there
Oh my
before.
God, that's so much. Just and it's connected to a bunch of fishing line.
Yeah, maybe there's a fish on the end. No? No dead bodies, no fish.
I wish I could high five you, but your gloves are wet.
So your hands are all gross too.
High five me in a second. No, you guys.
All right, high five.
Oh my god.
What?
Other side of your hand. No! I knew you would do that!
That's so funny. Just a piece of rail.
I think I brought hot hands.
What's that?
What? Is that a fake worm?
Yeah, it's a lure.
Oh my god!
Well, not a lure, but
I haven't seen one of them forever. And I've never seen one that big. That's something.
What do you got? What's that?
I don't know.
So flip the magnet upside down. That is the top head of a bolt.
First catch I've made it.
Yay! Hey, it's something. Oh, got something. What do we get? Some stainless steel. These are still good. You can clean those up, use those. Stainless steel, nice.
There's also a hook.
Lead weight. Another hook.
With a leaf on it. Hook.
Got a bunch of hooks.
Gee, my hooks are down there. Just swipe it all in with your hand.
Well, no, you want to look through it and see what you got. That's a washer. You gotta be real careful, these little tiny trout hooks.
Catch any fish?
Not fishing for fish. We're magnet fishing.
Magnet fish.
Pulled this up off the bottom.
That's good. Yeah, somebody knocked that out of there. I haven't seen that done before.
Yeah.
What do you find down there?
Well, we found all this. I mean, besides that, a pair of pliers, razor knife, some scissors, lots of fishing stuff, you know, lead, hooks, all that kind of stuff. The chains that hold the dock down.
They probably like to have that back, huh? Type some of that stuff, probably.
Yeah, that probably.
Yeah, that's one of the, you know, I talked to the rangers here. That's one of the reasons why they stopped stocking that lake there.
Mhm.
Because people were like leaving too much of their garbage, leaving all their stuff around.
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it.
And so they stopped stocking it. You know, they fixed it all up really cool so people could come fishing. They used to stock it all the time.
Uh-huh.
And he said, you know, they put all these garbage cans here and
Oh,
everything.
see, here we go again.
Whoa,
Wow, look at that.
it's stuck on something really heavy.
Another razor blade. DeWalt. Nice. Foldable.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Someone probably didn't
Joe,
like
it's
losing that.
so heavy.
So is that a pretty powerful magnet? I bet it is.
These are 500-pound pole magnets. So 500 pounds will hold in extremely ideal conditions. You know, your average good pull is probably going to be, it'll pull up about 250 pounds, something like that.
So that
So-
would hold up 500 pounds up here?
In completely ideal conditions. So if this surface was perfectly clean and that surface was perfectly clean and it was good metal and it had a perfect contact,
Yeah.
yes, it's supposed to be able to hold 500 pounds. But I mean,
Pretty powerful.
it pulled that up, this whole entire
Is that
thing.
pretty
So it's, I would say probably
50 pounds?
50 pounds, yeah. Well, we're at our last destination of the day. We're at the pond next to the other pond that is over there where the other docks were. This one I really need a different magnet for, but we're gonna give it a shot anyways. And I guess they used to stock this pond with trout, so there's probably a lot of fishing line and weights and who knows what else. But let's give it a shot, see what happens. We're magnet fishing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How's that go?
Huh?
How's that go?
Well,
Sorry.
let me. No, it's fine. You guys mind being on YouTube? We're shooting a video right now.
Oh, you are? Oh.
Uh-huh. Let me pull this out here. So basically you tie a real powerful magnet to the end of a rope, and then you just toss it in, and any like lead fishing lures, you know, stuff people have tossed in or dropped in by accident, you pull it out.
Oh.
Over on the dock over there, I don't know if you guys are going over there, there's an actual piece, full piece of the steel dock railing that I pulled out.
Wow.
That I don't know how it got down there, but I just pulled it out from over there. Yeah, so we got a couple cool things actually. Like a DeWalt razor knife.
Oh, wow.
Not yet. This is actually only our second time doing it, but there's a lot of people that pull stuff like that out. But stainless steel scissors,
So if you look on YouTube,
Box
what do we
cutters.
think?
magnet fishing.
Magnet fishing?
Or for my channel,
Yeah.
my channel is called Shoot Ride Live, all one word.
Okay.
Yeah, and we actually just did our first one last week. We went down to Chinook Landing off of the boat ramps down there. The second throw, one of the boys that was with me caught a Motorola walkie-talkie.
Whoa.
Yeah, so you just really never know.
It's almost like with the scanner in the sand type deal. You know?
Metal detecting, yeah. So it's just in the water, basically. But
A lot of cool stuff. Well, good
yeah, hopefully. All right. Thank you. See you later. Well, it's kind of a shorter day. I hope you enjoyed it with us. This is the stuff that we ended up getting. All right, here. A couple bottle caps. Some needle nose pliers. This I can clean up. I'm sure I can use this. Definitely. It'll go with the rest of my DeWalt tools. Yeah, buddy. Some scissors. These are good. Little rooster tail. Another Husky razor blade knife that I think I can clean up and use. Throw in a razor blade. This alien looking booger goober thing with a big huge hook that I'm pretty much positive would not fit in the mouth of anything in these ponds. And of course, earlier in the video, that piece of dock, which was, I think, pretty cool. That was a huge find, literally. Thanks for hanging out with Shoot Ride Live. If you're just fiending for more magnet fishing until we get the next video going, go ahead and stop on over and check out Raven Girl. Ding! And Magnet Fishing Addiction. Ding! They have a lot of good content, a lot of great catches, and you can go ahead and check all of their stuff out until we can get back with you with another video. Again, thanks for hanging out with Shoot Ride Live. Subscribe, share the videos. Gotta go. Bye.